Hello YouTube family, what's going on? Just a little information here for you again. If you're in a flyer program or a postcard program and you're looking for a mailing list, direct mail leads, peel and stick labels, we have the best in the business. We've got the best mailing list that money can buy. Our company's been in business since 1985. That's right, 1985. And right now, we are slashing prices. Our leads are always hot, always updated, constantly updated, so you don't have to worry about old leads. They're always new. But right now, I want to tell you about the prices being slashed. And I'm going to give you an example right now. For 200 names, it was $35. Now it's on sale for $28. And I can go through the list, but it'll take too much time. But I can go to 30,000 names. If you need 30,000 names, peel and stick labels to go on your flyers or your postcards, it was $1,100 for 30,000 names. Now it's on sale for $880. You can get as many as you want. That's up to you. You just go to the website that I'm going to put the link below this video. Click on it. Go to the website and just pick whatever package you want. But prices have been slashed. There's a big sale going on right now for direct mail leads and email leads. If you want email leads, we got everything you need. This is the top of the line list. We're the best around. Prices have been slashed. If you need anything, go to my website, click on it, put your order in as soon as possible. Don't know how long the sale will last. So, oh, and we do accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discovery. So I just want to throw that out there too. But go to the website, put in the link below, check it out, put your order in, go ahead and do it. Get your peel and stick labels, and go ahead and start mailing out your flyers and postcards. Or, like I said, email addresses too. That's totally up to you. Most people that I know of are using peel and stick labels. So there you have it. Prices are being slashed. I just gave you an example. Click on the website, put your order in. We'd love to have your business. We'd love to have your return business. Keep coming back. We love you. We want to serve you. We love you. Keep coming back. Take care. I'll talk to you later. God bless.